Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to make dark circle removing eye mask by using simple ingredients that we have in our home. Skin around our eyes are so thin and sensitive when compared with other skin of our body. Due to lack of sleep and continuous usage of mobile phones and computers, it can easily get damaged, which results in dark circles and puffiness around your eyes. This simple homemade eye mask will give effective solution for those issues. The ingredients we need to make this eye mask. First, we need potato. Potato will not only clears acne scars but also gives effective solution to get rid of dark circles. Next, aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel can soften and moisturize the eye area. It is always better to use fresh aloe vera gel. As I don't have a fresh one right now, I'm using a store-bought aloe vera gel, which is free from color and perfume. Next, rose water. Rose water will give cooling and relaxing sensation to your eyes. Finally, two eye pads. You can also use makeup removing pad if you don't have eye pad. Take a clean potato. Peel off the skin from the potato. Grate the potato to get potato juice. Take a clean bowl. Add in the extracted potato juice. Now, add equal amount of rose water. Add in a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Now mix them well. Place the cotton pads in the mixture. Now, place these eye pads over your eyes. You are all set now. Lay on and take rest for 15 minutes and wash it off with cold water. Do this regularly for at least 2 weeks to get the visible results. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you like our videos, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell button to get notified for the upcoming videos. Feel free to write any suggestions about our videos. Thank you.